In this video, we're driving on this road, and up ahead we'll see that there's a parked car in our lane, and there's going to be oncoming traffic close to where that parked car is parked. And so because the obstruction is on our side of the road, we need to think about yielding the way to the oncoming traffic and only going into the oncoming traffic side when it's safe to do so. So we can see up ahead is that parked car, and as we're approaching, we can see other cars showing up around the bend. So right away, we should think about, okay, this is not the time to be squeezing into this bottleneck. What we need to do is match the speed of this obstruction, and because the obstruction is stopped, we're going to slow down and stop and let these people pass by before we throw in our signal, shoulder check to the left into our blind spot, and when it's clear, we'll go around this obstruction and then shoulder check to the right to make sure there's no one in our blind spot on the way back into our lane, and we can proceed. So the unwritten rule, if you will, is that if the obstruction is on your side, you need to be the one yielding the way. Having said that, you have to see if, let's say, the obstruction was on this side of the road and you saw that people were going around that obstruction, you're not going to just continue at your regular speed and say, well, I have my right of way because the obstruction is on your side, so you should be yielding to me. No, that is not the mindset you should be in. You should be thinking, we're sharing the road, and I need to make sure that in no circumstance do I let a collision take place.